Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. I don't know about you, but I love Halloween and its dark and moody vibe. Here in the UK, Halloween isn't celebrated as much as in the US, so often Halloween themed decor comes in late to the shops. As autumn sets in, I wanted to decorate my hallway with some Halloween themed moody decor. So this video is a bit of a mishmash of things made, things altered and things bought. For this first make, I'm using air dry clay to make a little ghosty. As you can see, after shaping the clay, I've added some snakes of clay to build up some texture. As I didn't fully hollow out the ghost, it took about 3 days to fully dry. But once it was dry, I gave it a coat of white paint and then added in some details. I have these dried pukka pods which look so much like little pumpkins, so I painted some of them black, left some of them in their original colour and added them to the base of the ghost along with some tiny black resin roses. And here I also just stamped the head of the ghost with a tiny little spider. I picked up this glass bottle matchstick holder from B&M. As it's part of their Christmas range, it has a wish stamped on it, which doesn't really work for what I want, so I'm going to alter it. I will add a list of all the materials used in the description below. To start, I needed to remove the text. I used an acetone nail varnish remover to soften the print. I had hoped it would remove it completely, but ended up using a craft knife to gently scratch off the remaining text. Next, I added some Tim Holtz black texture paste through a stencil. Once the texture paste was fully dried, I also added some silver foil rub-ons from Blanche. To finish, I added some ribbon to hide the cork and also painted the cork black. Next, I found this skull candle making kit. It comes with everything to make 2 small candles. As you can see, the kit includes a skull mold, 1 pack of soy wax, 1 pack of beeswax, wicks, needle, wooden sticks, and neon green pigment. I wasn't a fan of the green pigment, so I bought some black colouring wax, and I also wanted the candle to be scented, so I bought some fragrance oil as well. I left the candle for 24 hours to dry and then trimmed the wick. It seemed a bit plain to me, so I added some metallic wax just to bring out some of the details. I'm totally late to the thrift store ghost painting trend, but I thought I would give it a try on this little frame that I picked up. I decided to just paint the ghost over the top of the flowers. After painting the ghost and bat, I'm just adding some floral rub-ons just to bring it all together. Now over to the bought part. I picked up this pumpkin from TK Maxx. I absolutely love the detail on it with the bats and the floral design, and it's got a tiny little light inside as well. I picked up this haunted house oil burner from Range. I absolutely loved it. Continuing with the ghost theme, I picked up this ceramic ghost from B&M. It also has a little light inside. I just love the expression on its face. And last up was this really cute little ghostie holding a bat, which was the inspiration for the thrift store painting ghost as well. Hope you enjoyed these little makes, and thanks for watching.